Are you locked out of the house in the middle of the night? Or perhaps you're locked out of your car stranded in the middle of nowhere? Whatever emergency situation you are in, Helping Locksmith is here to assist you. Helping Locksmith provides top-notch, efficient, and professional locksmith services for residential, commercial, and automotive. Our services include 24/7 emergency lockout service, lock and key replacement and repair, key duplication, and much more. Choose experience and reliability. Choose Helping Locksmith. Our dependable and prompt locksmith services are just a phone call away. For solutions to your entire residential, commercial, or automotive locksmith needs, call Helping Locksmith.